Yeah, 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 yeah. Ras Ali
Hold them fire.
Grows.
Hold them fire.
Fresh in the
Hold them fire.
morning.
Rasali. Rasali.
Tomatoes, you know.
Get them.
Yeah, man.
Get them.
If you were paying attention, you would have recognized that the last video I uploaded with tomatoes, the tomatoes were extremely thick. The foliage was so thick you could barely see the tomatoes. Watch out now. Yeah, man, we thin them out, man. Some call it pruning, some call it trimming, some call it whatever. We just thin them out. We call it thin out. So we basically just remove a portion of the leaves because the tomatoes were not getting enough sun, and a lot of insect work was taking place under there. I mean, the insects went to work, man. Caterpillars like crazy. You know what I mean? So definitely we yeah, watch them. I take it one step at a time. See? That's life. There's nothing more beautiful than watching life take its course, man. Life takes its course how it's supposed to. See it? Yeah, man, all those who have not yet subscribed, see? Subscribe to Ras Ali Grows, you know what I mean? Click that little notification bell there. I want you, man, and if you like it, say you like it, man. If you like it, say you like it. If you want to leave a comment, leave a comment. Hey, what's that? Who can tell me what that is? You see it? And you don't know, share it with your friends, man, and family same way, man, because that's how the thing grow, you know? Of course, if you don't like it, you know, say me, I gotta tell you straight. Move on to the next bumbo clot up the line, or down the line, or somewhere upon the bumbo clot line. See? Because you know, say that's how we think set already. Ras Ali Grows. Check out them tomato today. Woo! Beautiful, man. Sorry about that. Oh, yeah. Check out them tomato, man. Fresh. You know what I mean? Yeah. So you don't know. We line up the pruning and we line them up, we string them up, give them some strength, take them off of the ground, make them get some air, some sunlight. You know the thing set already. So basically, we even look for more growth, better yield, you know, better, much better yields we are look for. But at the same time, we give thanks, as you can see. Shining, man. Shining. Shining beautiful, man. See it? Check it out. Tomato in the morning when Ras Ali grows. Cho! Well, early in the morning is when Ras Ali grows. My fingers grip my machete and my foot go in my shoes. Pick up my two bucket them with the pans them with the dip. Meditation positive so there's no cons, just the pros, yeah. Water cucumber pull the weed them from the bed. And prune the leaves that have the spider mite them off the dead. Sunfly up on my skin and mosquito in on my ears and ningy. Pan the ground no make them fed in the morning. Ras Ali grows. Fresh in the morning, Ras Ali grows fresh in the morning. Ras Ali grows fresh in the morning. Ras Ali grows. Share and subscribe to the channel and make the channel grow. Share it with your friends, not your foe. And then again, share it with your folk. I mean, no matter how them might just change when them check out the vibes where we are saying. Rastafari, I
Hold
dream.
them fire.
You know, say I
Hold
and
them
I no
fire. Hold
pretend.
them fire.
Born a
Rasali.
boy from them bend. I lay.
Get them. Get them.
Yeah. Ras Ali again. Yeah. Early in the morning.